What is the national bird of the United States? The answer is bald eagle. Which American state is known as the Sunshine State? The answer is Florida. What is the capital of the United States? The answer is Washington, D.C. Which famous American landmark is known for its large, carved faces of 4 presidents? The answer is Mount Rushmore. In which year did the United States declare its independence? The answer is 1776. What is the most widely spoken language in the United States? The answer is English.